After a few slow weeks in the AI world, this week did not disappoint. Anthropic is dropping bombs, Perplexity updated their model, and Runway Act 1 is insane. Let's dive right in. Anthropic dropped not one, but 3 major updates. First up, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. The model update, according to the benchmarks released, is outperforming everything else out there, even OpenAI's latest offerings. We're gonna have to see how this holds up in real world use, but take a look at this and see what you think. Second, as you'll probably notice in this benchmark comparison, they have a brand new model rolling out called 3.5 Haiku. What's impressive here is they are competing with top tier models, but offering this at a fraction of the price. So for developers, this is an absolute game changer. 3.5 Sonnet is out as of today, so you can go on Claude and use that right now. And the Haiku model is rolling out later this month, according to Anthropic. Last but certainly not least, Anthropic has announced Computer Use. And this one is very interesting. What Computer Use does is uses the model to take action on your computer. It does this by constantly taking screenshots and sending them back to the model to take action. I'll show you a quick example that Anthropic released on their YouTube.
And I'm a researcher at Anthropic. I'm going to show you a simple example of computer use today. My friend's coming to San Francisco next week, and I want to take him to do some touristy stuff. I think doing a sunrise hike with a view of the Golden Gate Bridge never gets old. So I'll ask Claude to figure out some logistics for us. I'll ask Claude to find a good place to see the sunrise, to help me figure out timing logistics, and help drop a calendar invite so I remember when I have to leave. It's opening Chrome, going to Google, searching, and it looks like it's found something. Great. So how far away is the location from my place? It's opening maps, searching for the distance between my area and the hiking location. Cool. So now it looks like Claude is searching for the sunrise time tomorrow. And is now dropping it into my calendar. And populating it with some details. And great, it looks like Claude did it. This is a simple example, but we're sharing computer use early to learn from what people build.
So you put in a simple prompt and the model takes over, goes to your Google Chrome to figure out where a good hiking spot is, then goes to maps and calculates the distance to the hike from your current location and plans it out in your calendar with specific notes on when you need to leave to catch the sunset, which it also looked up on Google to see when the sunset would be. So this is a really basic example, but you can see where the potential lies with this in automating so many simple tasks. Anthropic came out and said that this is brand new. It's got a lot of bugs and it's not perfect, but they want to release it so that they can develop it further and faster. That being said, it is available today on the API if you're hoping to experiment. And eventually this is going to turn into automation in so many different areas. Next, a quick one. Perplexity has improved their pro search even further. And if anyone isn't aware already, Perplexity is one of my favorite tools. It's so good for research, for real-time events, and for multi-layered questions. And what they've done is add reasoning to their pro search. So it's just another layer of additional ability to handle these complex multi-layered questions and improve the results even further. I think this is going to be really useful for anyone using Perplexity, but especially for students and for researchers. Lastly, let's talk about Runway Act 1. And this one is really fun and really exciting. What they've done is allow voice and video input to output character animations. Here's what I mean.
Am I looking here?
Camera straight up and do a little bit.
What? You're gonna fire me because there's hot milk everywhere on the floor of the coffee shop? I mean, it's one latte. It's not that big of a deal.
Everything's fine. Everything's totally great. This is gonna be the best day ever.
Smashed my phone the other night.
And you know how much I love that phone.
Okay, all right. Just breathe. Okay, maybe don't breathe that hard. Who knew there were so many kinds of beans to choose from? Fava, black, kidney, butter, white beans.
Now you're surprised.
Oh, wow.
I'm beginning to think that you don't understand the gravity of this situation.
You came all the way down to the Department of Motor Vehicles and didn't bring your driver's license?
Settle down. Everyone, settle down, please.
I don't know how to be sad without closing my eyes. Perfect. We got it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is it.
All right, who's next?
This is insane. It's really going to turn the animation industry upside down. It's going to create so much opportunity for content creators, for funny videos. And the one that really took me by surprise is this animation where one person is recording their voice and their video, and they've created two different characters in the same scene.
Been waiting long enough. I think it's time to decide. You really think you can just walk away from all this?
I have to. There's no other choice.
There's always a choice. You just don't like the alternatives.
What would you have me do? Stay? Just watch it all crumble around me?
It's what you signed up for. It's what we all signed up for.
I signed up to make a difference. I'm not just trying to be a cog in the machine.
You think leaving will solve anything?
It's a start.
There's always a choice.
You just don't like the alternatives.
What would you have me do? Stay?
Just watch it all crumble around me?
So you saw the same guy was recording character A and character B. Same guy, same clothes, but just using different scripts for each character. So again, this is just opening the door for so much potential. Off the top of the head, animations, skits, content creation, movies. The opportunities are endless, and I'm sure I'm not even thinking of everything. Taking a look at Runway's blog post, Act 1 is slowly rolling out today and will soon be available to everyone. I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna be like a kid at Christmas testing out all of the new tools and capabilities out there this week in AI. Let me know in the comments what you guys are doing. As always, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.